Alright, getting ready to do an oil change on a Yamaha jet boat. It's specifically Yamaha AR192. It's got the wakeboard tower on it, but it basically just has the standard jet boat engine that Yamaha throws in their boat. And this is what I have set up. Ordered this at Northern Tool. It's an oil extractor pump. Basically that's the pump itself, and it hooks up to your battery. Just clamp on the red and the black, and the pump turns on and off. You run one of the hoses down in where your oil dipstick is. That pumps the oil out of the engine, and it pumps it. I just basically went to Walmart and got a gallon jug of water and used it. You should be about pretty close to 3/4 of a gallon when you're completely empty. One way I make sure that the hose is down far enough is I actually measured the distance from the tip of the dipstick to the end, and that's exactly how far I went down in, and I maybe jammed it down there a little bit further. You can tell as you're running empty, as the oil's almost completely out, the pump will start just throwing little bits of oil, and I just jammed it in and out a couple different times to make sure I got all the oil out. But that's pretty much it, and then when you're done, you fill it back up. And I purchased this. Is specific to my boat, but if you look on the back, it tells you all the various boats that this specific kit will use. But there's kits for older boats that are not high output engines, and it comes complete with all the oil that you need, along with the specific oil filter that you're going to need to replace. You're going to need one of these to pull the oil filter off, which is pretty easy. Make sure you have all the oil out of the boat first, but the oil filter is right there, pretty easy to access. Grab it, put that little wrench on it, pull it off, throw the new one back on, and then refill it back up with oil. That's all you need to do.